the chicken afritada. Chicken wings, so basta ko malupad. You want some? That's my mother. And those are the recipes for the spaghetti. Look, this one for the spaghetti. That one is the beans recipe for the chicken afritada. That's my mother. Ah! Yan ang bomba. Ay! That's my mother. Hi, Mom. Mom, say hi. This is part of our house. It's too small, but it's okay. We're a big, happy family. And today is my birthday.
Hi, this is Gilbert Magat on vocal. Jarvis Manlapas, singer. Rick Mercado Jr. on guitar. Luke Yares on bass. Ako si Tonto Malarcon on drums. And I'm Tito Ralph. And we're Filipino!
So hi!
Nung bigla kitang nakita,
Pagkalipas ng mahabang panahon. Hi! I am the birthday girl. I am already 17 years old.
Noon pa may sobrang lupit na. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano, basta biglang nagsama tayo. Bilang tagal ay napag-ibig
mo ako.
Ulang umaga, hanggang uwian natin, laging magkasama tayong
Dalawa.
Parang kahapon, nangyari sa akin ang lahat. Nakasang ko lang, medyo romantiko ang balat. Ngunit sa nabag-usapan, sana lang nagkahiyaan. Mula noon, hindi na tayo nagpansinan. At bakit ko pa pinabayaan? Wala hindi inasahan. Parang nasayang lang wala na. Wala na
Ha? medyo sweet.
Pagkalipas na mahabang panahon, sobrang alam ko na